Good morning, students. Hope you are all doing very well. So, let me start today's class. Last class, I have completed active and passive voice. In the case of present tense, how we will change from active to passive voice. So, let me start today how to change active to passive in the case of past tense. So, let me start with the example first. In the case of simple past tense, so last class I already told you simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense, how we will change it. So in the case of simple past tense means active voice, that is the V2 form of the verb we write. So when you will change it to passive voice, you have to use was or were plus V3 form of the verb. V3 means that is always the participle form. Okay. Now was and were, it depends upon the number. That means singular case you have to use was, and in the case of plural you have to use were. So let me give the example. In the case of active voice, I am giving the example. Richa took a pen from her friend. Richa took a pen from her friend. So took, this is the past tense, simple past tense, V2 form of the verb. So when I will change it, which is the object here, a pen, this is the object here. So in the case of passive, object will come first. So we have to start with a pen. Then what to do? Pen, this is the singular. So we have to use was. So a pen was, then V3 form. What is the V3 form of take? Take is the present tense, took is the past tense. So V3 form of take is taken. Okay. So a pen was taken. We have to use by Richa. Then last will come from her friend. Is it clear? So a pen was taken by Richa from her friend. This is in the case of simple past tense. Now the next one is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means we use what? Was or were plus ing of the verb we use. Continuous tense means always we use ing form of the verb. And as it is the past tense, we will use was or were based on the numbers. So when I will change it to the passive, so what will come? Similarly, was or were, anyone will come. Plus, I told you, we have to use extra being, that one, plus V3 form. Every cases V3 form is mandatory. It will come always. Okay. So let me give the example. Richa was writing a letter. Richa was writing a letter. So this is past continuous tense. Was is there plus ing form of the verb writing is there. Richa was writing a letter. So which is the object here? A letter. A letter is the object here. So in the case of passive, I will write a letter first. So a letter. Now what I said, you have to use was or were. So later is the singular number. Okay. So we have to use was. A letter was. Next what to use? Being you have to use. So I will write being. Then I said V3 form. So V3 form of which one? Which is the verb here? Main verb. Write is the main verb. So V3 form of write is written. Write, past tense is wrote. V3 form is the past participle form is the written. So I will write here written. So a letter was written then by Richa. Subject will come last. So Richa is the subject here. So subject will come last. A letter was being written by Richa. Next is the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense means in the case of perfect tense always comes had plus V3. In the case of present perfect tense, I told you have to use has or have. Okay, plus V3 form. But in the case of past tense means only had comes here. Had plus V3. So passive voice, similarly had will come. Extra what you will use? Been you have to use. This is common. In the case of present tense also been, past tense also been. Plus V3. V3 is mandatory, I told. Now example I will give. Richa had visited Mysore. Richa had visited Mysore. Okay, so we have to start with Mysore. So Mysore, then had will come. After that been you have to use and V3 form. So which is the main verb here? Visit. Visit is the main verb. That is root verb, present tense. So past participle form of visit is visited only. Visit, visited, visited. So Mysore had been visited by Richa. Subject will come last. Richa is the subject here. So subject will come last. Mysore had been visited by Richa. So these are the forms. Only you have to use simple past tense, past continuous tense and present continuous tense. Only you can change it to active from active to passive. Okay. Now in the case of future tense, if future tense is there, then how you can change it? So future tense means simple future. In the case of simple future tense. Simple future tense means we are using what? Will or shall plus V1. V1 is the, that is present tense, V1. V1 is the first form of the verb. Okay, so V1 is the present form of the verb. So in the case of passive voice, similarly same will come, will or shall. What here extra we are using? Be we have to use, be. Plus as usual V3 form of the verb. So be we are using here extra. So let me give the example. Richa will teach English. Richa will teach English in a school. Richa will teach English in a school. So will teach, will means always we use in the case of future tense, will or shall. So will teach English in a school. So which is the object here? English is the object here. So we have to write English first. So English will, then what should add? Be. After that V3 form of the teach. What is the V3 form of the teach? Taught. V3 form of the teach is taught. So English will be taught by Richa in a school. English will be taught by Richa in a school. Another one last will come, that is in the case of future perfect tense. You have to remember, students, in which cases we can change active to passive. Future perfect tense means here also will or shall plus have plus V3. Perfect tense means I told you always have or has comes in the case of present tense, had comes in the case of past tense, but in the case of future tense always have come. Okay, never you can write has or had. Always you have to use only have. So will or shall plus have plus V3. Similarly, in the case of passive voice, will or shall plus have plus, we know that perfect tense means we have to use been plus V3. Okay, let me give the example. Richa will have taught English in a school. Richa will have taught English in a school. So you can understand here will, have, taught. Okay, will, then after that have we have to use, then V3, that is the taught. Always in the case of perfect tense V3 comes. So how to change in the passive? So which is the object? Similarly English is the object. So start with English. So English will, then have, then been. As I told you, perfect tense means you have to use been. English will have been taught. V3 is always taught only by Richa in a school. Okay, so English will have been taught by Richa in a school. So just to remember, students, which are extra we are using in the case of passive. Okay, in the case of passive, which extra words we are using. So it will be easy to you to convert. Okay, so I hope you have all understood, students. So if you have any doubt, I always tell you in my all videos, just message me, comment me if you have any doubt. I will clear your doubts, and please subscribe so you will get more videos, and share it, like it. So for today, bye bye students. See you in the next video.